First click reset, then press exam memory, starting address 8000, then next, type opcode 3A, next 00, next 85, next 47, next 3A, next 01, next 85, next 80, next 32, next 00, next 90, next 3F, next 0, next 32, next 01, next 90, next 76, next type 00, next reset. Next press exam memory, address 8500, next value 05, next 04, next 00, next reset. We go to execute, then press go, starting address, execute. Here E, no error. Then press reset, exam memory, sum address 9000, next.